everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I know I'm filming after a while. I actually feel very weird after coming here after a while actually. Nevertheless, since I'm here, I just wanted to quickly say thank you for being there and thank you for sticking still. And my main motive for today's video was I really wanted to try this Daily Life Forever 52 brand. I've tried the lipstick, so I really like it, and then I really wanted to try this palette. So this is like all shimmer palette, and the palette name is Magnificent Eyeshadow Palette, which is all the shimmery shades, actually creamy shimmery shades. First of all, it opens like so, which is quite unique, I would say, from other than the palettes. And this has all the pretty shades. And my main, let me see, yeah, these are the colors actually. That's right. And my main motive to buy this palette was because of this shade, because of this shade, because of this shade, and this shade. I mean the entire row. So basically I really wanted to try this palette because I heard very good reviews about it, and I actually swatched the palette before filming this video, and I loved it. The feel of the each single the shade is so creamy, so blendable. It's amazing. So I can't wait to try this palette and create a look using this palette, like a shimmery shade. So if you guys want to know what I do with this palette, then keep on watching. So to begin with, I am just gonna start my base first, and then I'm gonna move to my eyes, and then wanna see if this fall out or not. So let's begin with our base. So for my primer, since I have already my moisturizer, my sunscreen and everything, that, and also my natural oils that has already came out, so I am going to use this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray, and just gonna spritz some. So for this look, I really wanted to keep the base very minimal. So for that, I'm using my all-time favorite, and I think it's every girl's favorite, which is this Maybelline ka 125 shade hai mere paas. It is their Fit Me Poreless. I love this. I love this. Alright, so since we blended our foundation and we look like a ghost because all the natural shades are gone from our face, let's make our face more little like a ghost. So for that I'm gonna use, to conceal my under eye area, I'm going to use this NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Light Vanilla, and this is the one that I'm talking about, and I'm just gonna use it to the higher points of my face as well as to my under eye area. Blend the rest of the concealer and going to let this sit in for some time, and just blend my forehead concealer, the nose one, and my mouth. Next, I'm taking this NYX translucent compact or powder, whatever you want to call it, and going to put this thing in it and just leave it here, and it will act as my setting powder as well as it will help to bake as well. I'm just gonna set my the lid area as well for the eyeshadow thing, and use the same on my entire face to set my base. So next, to bronze up my face, I'm using this Hoola, and just going to bronze up my face. I'm just putting the color and later on we'll blend. For the blush, I'm using this Endless shade from the Tarte palette, this shade, and just using it lightly. Alrighty, now let's move to our eyes. So since the Forever 52 has no matte shades, so I'm going to use this Profusion Metal Mix palette. And if you want to see the review of this palette, I'm just gonna link it somewhere here so that you can watch it. And so for my crease, I'm actually going to keep my crease and my out crease very neutral so that I have the option to use any color that I want from the Forever 52 palette. That's a long thing. So actually I'm going to use this shade in particular for my crease, or to define my crease. And I am going to repeat the same on my another eye and define my crease. To add a little bit of depth to my crease, I'm going to use this taupe shade, which is beautiful burnt yellow sort of shade. Like not exactly mustard, but it's a beautiful fall sort of fall inspired shade actually. I'm actually liking this shade to my crease. So as you can see, after that light shade, I added this shade and actually defined my crease very well, that I'm actually enjoying and depositing the shade again and again. So that's pretty much it, and I think I'm happy with the color. I actually love the color. Next is I might gonna go with this red tone brown and just deposit this color to my outer corner and little bit to the crease, like not to the entire crease but to the middle of the crease. So like so, just depositing it, just going to deposit it very nicely in a patting motion. Alright, now is the actual moment when I'm gonna use this Forever 52 palette, and I actually wanted to see if it is worth all the hype or not. And since I did this sort of burnt yellow fall inspired look, I am confused to which shade to go for. I'm actually gonna go for this particular shade. It's neither bronze, it neither copper. So let's go for this. Oh my god, it is so creamy, and look at the pigment, guys. It's already peeking out through, and let's see how it looks. Oh my god, the application on the lid is stunning, like literally stunning, and I am shook. Like wow, such a gorgeous shade and such a gorgeous, oh my god, it's not even falling out. Like mostly if it's that pigmented shimmer, it does fall out somewhere, but this is like intact, as if you have applied a lash, I mean the shimmer glue underneath. But it's so beautiful. Oh my god, you can already see the shimmer speaking out even in this video, and trust me, it's looking even more stunning in person. So I'm gonna apply the same to my another eye. I mean, like, look at that. This is not it. I'm actually gonna use some another shade as well because I love the shades. And I am actually going to use this shade. Maybe it's similar but a little darker, like a copper sort of shade. Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god. Wow. Now I can say what all the hype is all about, because it's such a stunning palette. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm actually even thinking of using this green shade as well. Maybe, you know, I'm just gonna use this. Oh my god, it is standing out even better. Like, wow. I'm just going to blend it together so that it looks merged. The eyes, I mean, the shimmer shade looks stunning, like literally stunning. A good coat of mascara from this Benefit Pat Girl Bang. I don't want to use them because of the reason I don't want to take away the beauty of this eyeshadows. So they are really stunning. I really want them to stand out, and that's pretty much it. To finish this look, I just did my brows off the camera, and I'm going to use this same, not the same. Did I use this shade? Actually, no. So I'm going to use this opposite shade. I used this shade, but I'm gonna use this burnt orange sort of shade to my water lash line. Moving next, for my lips, I'm going to use this Forever 52 Lip Gloss Super Stay lipstick in the shade Violet, and I'm going to use this liquid lipstick. So that's it. This is the final look for my eyes that I created by using this Forever 52 palette. Where is the palette? This is right here, and this is an amazing palette. This has all the beautiful shimmery shades that one need in any palette. This has good 10 shades. This was, I think, 16 something, but I got this on a 10% discount, so I got it for 14 something, which was absolutely a steal deal. So I think if you are looking for a good shimmery palette that has good pigment and it is creamy, it stays put, then this is one palette. I mean, not just one palette, they have a lot of multiple options that you can go for, you can choose. And if you're someone who likes everything, their mattes and their shimmery palettes, the shimmery shades in one palette, they also have the 32 shade palette as well. You can check that out as well. So if it comes to my review, I would say this is a highly pigmented palette, which is so creamy. I'm just gonna swatch the green shade right here for you. Can you see the pigment? Whatever is on the palette, it shows the exact same shades, and it's like crazy pigmented. It's very creamy, very creamy, and you won't go wrong and you won't regret. Trust me, you won't regret. And that's pretty much it. Do I recommend it? 100%. Is it worth the money? 200%. So if you're looking for something, then definitely go and buy it. It's an amazing, absolutely amazing palette. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and until then, bye.